Guys, it is unbelievable that somebody like Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide. मतलब यार वो बंदा who played a lead role in a movie like छिछोरे and who gave that message कि भाई suicide के बारे में मत सोचो, suicide is not an option, he has committed suicide. We all heard in the news that Sushant Singh Rajput was suffering from depression. There must have been something very strong who broke him down to such an extent that he chose to kill himself. Guys, mental health बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Irrespective of the fact आपके पास दुनिया भर का पैसा है, आपके पास कितना ही फेम है, if you are somebody who is not having a peaceful mind, if you are somebody who is not having a sound mind, everything else is worthless. उसकी कोई भी value नहीं है. Guys, this pandemic situation has been very challenging for us all and it has had a very strong toll on our mind. It has affected our mental health a lot. We have no idea what made him take that step. But guys, there's one thing which I read online. He was living alone during the lockdown. And guys, it wasn't just him who must have been living alone during this pandemic situation, but ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि अकेले रह रहे हैं. If you know somebody who is living alone, guys, उनसे please constantly touch में रहो, उनको वीडियो कॉल करो, फोन कॉल करो, उनसे उनका रोज हालचाल पूछते रहो, so that they do not feel lonely. अकेलापन and loneliness is something which can kill us inside. So guys, if you can help somebody out by just calling them for 10 minutes, 20 minutes every day and उनसे उनका हालचाल पूछ सको, it will help them out in a very positive manner. So please do this. इसके बाद the type of content you are watching has a lot of effect on your mind. Guys, if you're somebody who's continuously watching depressing movies or action movies, then subconsciously जो आपके anxiety levels हैं वो बढ़ते जा रहे हैं without even you realizing it. You might also feel like that you are losing your patience, your cool, because guys, nowadays our life is just bound within the four walls of our house. So please start taking care of the content you are consuming. Watch more of positive movies which keep you happy. Comedy movies देखो, comedy shows देखो, because they will keep you happy mentally. बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है इन सब चीज़ों से. Number 3, start moving your body. Guys, बैठे बैठे and लेटे लेटे बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा लेजीनेस आ जाती है, which over time has an impact on your mind. ये बात मैं लॉकडाउन के फर्स्ट डे से बोलता हूँ, अपनी कल वाली यूट्यूब वीडियो में भी मैंने ये बात बोली है एंड आज फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट. बेशक दिन में 20 से 25 मिनट करो, लेकिन करो. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हेनेवर वी आर वर्किंग आउट, हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे ब्रेन में केमिकल्स लाइक एंडोर्फिन्स एंड डोपामीन आर रिलीज्ड व्हिच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ योर बॉडी. So if you will be working out, then it will keep you physically as well as mentally fit. So please start working out. Number 4, please engage yourself into some kind of activity. Guys, हम लोग घर में हैं and many of us might not even be having work to do, especially the students. हो सकता है हमारे पास में कुछ काम ना हो करने के लिए, but guys, please, this is very important, engage yourself into some kind of activity. बेशक कोई ना कोई आप ऑनलाइन कोर्स ले लो या फिर start cooking or anything which makes you happy, but please start doing something. Whenever you are moving your body or whenever your mind is active, जब आप कुछ कर रहे होते हो, all the depressing thoughts, they are away from your mind, आपके दिमाग में नहीं आती हैं. So please, this is very important. Start engaging into some kind of activity. Guys, number 5 and very very important. It is so not the time to spread any kind of hatred or passing off any hate comments or bullying anybody for fun and entertainment. In fact, कभी किसी को bully नहीं करना चाहिए. But guys, this time is such a vulnerable time that we have no idea कि सामने वाले के दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है, उसकी psychology कैसी है, उसकी mental health कैसी है. And one negative or hate comment of yours, उसका क्या impact हो सकता है on the other person's mind. So guys, please make sure that you are being kind to people. Whenever you're talking to anybody, you are not making any kind of hate comment. All you are doing is spreading positivity. It is very important right now. Guys, please take care of all these things. ये चीज़ें जो हैं छोटी-छोटी ज़रूर हैं, लेकिन they have a huge impact in our life. Also, if you have anything which you want to talk about, then guys, please feel free to connect with me in my DMs. Stay home, keep yourself positive, and stay safe.